In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can optimize your response on ChatGPT. So let's say you want to ask ChatGPT something, but you want ChatGPT to get the answer from the internet. Let's say browse through a couple websites, and then give you an answer, like a real-time answer. This is what you need to do. So when you hop on the chat, you open a chat like this. What you need to do is tap on the attachment there. So at the top, at the bottom left corner of the screen, ask something, just tap on that. Good. And you can see web search, just tap on that. And you can see searches on there. Now you proceed to ask any question. If you want to use the voice tool, you can tap on the voice and then ask it anything. After that, you send it. So how to, now I send it. Good. And it's going to take, you can see, from websites, and it's going to give a reference from websites. See website links. Normally that's not how ChatGPT works. So this is for people that want to get real-time information from the internet, information that the GPT has been trained with. So that's it on how you optimize your response on ChatGPT. If you also want to do some studying, you want ChatGPT to summarize a document for you, you can do this. Study and learn. After that, you attach a file, tap on the attachment again like this. And you can see photos and files. You attach the file and then you ask ChatGPT, summarize it for me. It's going to summarize everything and the important things you need to know from the document. So this is also for learning. There are a lot of, customizations you can do. For deep research too, you can do same. For creating images too, you can do same too as well. So that's it on how you optimize your response on ChatGPT. If you are new here, you give me a like and also subscribe to my channel. Peace.